Hi, it's Amanda from Made For You talking about why you should become a regular client and a member of our WOW Rewards program. At Made For You, it's not just about the thorough cleaning that we'll do, it's about the experience, which is why when you become a recurring customer, we want to schedule you at the same day of the week every rotation. And we'll schedule you with one of the 2 technicians that you met at your first appointment. You'll always see the same cleaning specialists, barring things like schedule changes, illness, or vacation. We want to make sure that you love your experience as a member of our WOW program. And this includes over $500 in premium add-ons across the first year. A luxury welcome gift, a sweet treat, a free refrigerator cleaning, updated baseboard cleaning in 2 rooms, and updated window track cleaning in 1 room, and other special offers throughout the year. We think that you'll love us. Come join our WOW Rewards program and become a recurring client on our schedule. We can't wait to serve you.